Hello guys, another Saturday video, this time not from car. Somehow I'm not in the mood to get into the car, I'm just shooting that in the office, just outside of usual setup of laptop and microphone, casually chatting about dev career. And topic of today is for those of you who are not happy in their career. Quite a lot of people I see on Twitter complaining about their own job, position, projects, and companies. And I thought to talk about it, and specifically for those people who cannot talk in public about that. I'm pretty sure quite a few of you feel this way, feel unhappy in your current position. So let's talk about what you can do about it. And from what I see on Twitter and elsewhere, people can be unhappy, developers can be unhappy for a few potential reasons. Reason number one is the projects that they are assigned to, they work on. It may be boring projects, it may be legacy code, it may be not challenging enough, or on the contrary, it may be too hard, or it may be too complex, or too challenging. Whatever that is, what you can do is try to find other projects in your company. So teammates, what are they working on? Find out, maybe try to contribute like 10% of the time on that project, and maybe it would make your day brighter. Also, you can come up with your own ideas which may be supported by the company if the company is interested in that, so you may agree to work some time or even full-time at some point on your idea, which technically would belong to the company, but I guess that is negotiable. In other words, try to find other projects to work on, even if you're assigned on something not ideal. Another reason to complain and to be unhappy about is processes of the company. Perhaps that's even more widespread reason. So stuff like pointless, endless meetings, stuff like bureaucracy and waiting for the feedback for a long time, miscommunication between managers, upper managers, and then developers, ineffective processes of deployment, testing, technical decisions, and stuff like that. And sometimes it's not under your control. If you're in a position of more like junior to mid and you don't make any final decisions and you're unhappy with just how things are running in your company, what you can do? Of course, you can report the issues, talk about them, but try to do that not in a negative way. If you complain, then what other people are hearing is that you are unhappy. But if you try to suggest the solutions or even silently implement some solutions and then show them to someone, then you are seen as active contributor, as helping person, as a friendly person, and this is much better. So for example, if you want to introduce automated testing in your projects, why don't you? Even if it's not politically supported in your company and no one assigns time for that, you may do that maybe in your spare time or optimize your working day and try to implement some tests and then show the benefits of the tests to others. Maybe they would agree to do that more often. And then finally, third reason to be unhappy at your job is probably about the general job position. You are unhappy about salary, company vision, teammates, just generally unhappy about the people, environment, and you think you're not getting paid enough for suffering that daily stress. In that case, of course, the best way is to find another job. In fact, you can find a new job or try to find a new job anyway. Even if you are only a bit unhappy about the current company, why don't you go to interviews to other companies? Even if you're not planning to take those jobs, or maybe you will after the interview, who knows? By trying to search for another job, you will get familiar with the current market trends, with your own abilities, with current salaries, and maybe it will help you to maybe renegotiate your current position in your current company as well. But of course, if you're still not happy, try to find a better position. If you're a good developer, I'm pretty sure there are opportunities for you. And finally, I will paraphrase the old saying, which goes, you cannot change your friends, but you can change your friends. So replace your friends with someone else. Similarly, you cannot change the company you work for, but you can change the company you work for. There are always opportunities. Try to be more helpful in your current position, but if you're still underappreciated, there are always opportunities for you, I'm sure. And that's it for this time, and see you guys in other videos.